Welcome to section 4. After this section, you will know when functional programming techniques really help. You will learn about loop constructs, predicates, and combinators. Welcome to our new video. Immutability using the new static method copyOf collection. At the beginning, you will learn about copyOf collection. After that, I will show you a demo about the usage of copyOf. So let's get started. You can avoid unwanted collection modifications with immutable collections. The copyOf method creates such a collection. Already having an immutable collection is not a problem. In that case, copyOf will not create a new collection, but gives back the original. Searching through the API documentation, we find that the list, set, and enum set has copyOf method. Let's see a possible problem with mutable collection. I create a list of fields. Add author, subject, and content. These are the fields of a blog database. Let's find the first blog post with the following author and subject. We will call the findFirst method present in the jar file. It is produced by somebody else. I print what was found. Print every field name and the actual value of that field using a simple for loop. I run my application. Checking the result, I see an index out of bounds exception. It happens when I try to print out the content of the blog post. Author and subject are printed out. And now let's find out what went wrong. I print out the field name list to see which is wrong. Is it fields or found? Let's run the program again. Scroll up and see I have only 2 items inside the field name list. But it should be 3 items. The last one is missing. Before switching to a good findFirst implementation, I prevent this kind of mistake. I want to detect the unwanted modification of the collection. List.copyOf helps here. Run again the defective findFirst. Now with the unmodifiable collection. The unsupported operation exception indicates the unwanted modification. It happens at line 33, inside the findFirst method. Unwanted modifications can cause problems later during the program execution. We need to detect them as soon as possible. Our new tool is the copyOf method, which produces unmodifiable collections. So the modification is discovered right when it happens.